everyone. Hi, this is Teacher Shane. Welcome back to Shane's Magic Tree House. How's everyone doing? I hope everyone's doing great because I am doing great. Yeah. A matter of fact, I am awesome. Can everyone say awesome? Great. Do you guys remember the story called Just a Duck? Yeah? Do you guys like that story? I like that story. That story is great. So the story is about a duck. A duck wants to be a cat. Yeah. The duck wants to climb a tree, climbing a tree. The duck wants to have claws. The duck wants to act like a cat. Yeah. The duck has a friend, and the friend is a cat. And the cat was wondering, how can you be a cat? And the duck said, when I grow up, I will be a cat. Yes, that was a great story, right? Yes, it was. So now, guys, Teacher Shane has 4 vocabulary words that I'm going to share with you. Yeah. Are you guys ready? I can hear you. Are you ready? All right. Awesome. Here we go. The first word is claws. Let's say it 3 times. Claws, claws, claws. Do you want to know an animal that has claws? A cat has claws. A bear has claws. Yeah. Do you want to know another animal that has claws? An eagle. Yeah, an eagle has claws. And tigers, dogs, porcupines. Oh, there are so many animals that has claws. Okay, everyone. The next word is canoe. Can we say it 3 times? Canoe, canoe, canoe. Yeah, a canoe is a boat. Yes, you can sit down in the boat. And you can row your boat by yourself. That boat is called a canoe. Yeah. Some canoes, you can fit 2 people. Yeah. So you can row your canoe down the stream. Yeah. Very good, everyone. Okay, the next word is hero. Let's say it 3 times. Hero, hero, hero. Do you know who is a hero? Do you want to know? Teacher Shane, I'm a hero. Dun, 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 dun. The reason why I am a hero because I like to help you and people to learn English. So I am a hero. And also doctors, they like to help people. Firefighters, they like to help people. People in the military, they like to help people. And Superman, he likes to help people too, right? Well, those people are called heroes because they like to help people. Yeah. All right, guys. The next word is ears. Let's say it 3 times. Ears, ears, ears. How many ears do you have? Do you have 1? No? You don't have 1? How many ears do you have? I know. 5. No? Oh, 2 ears? Do you have 2 ears? Oh, look at my ears. Yeah, you have 2 Ears. All right, guys. Wow, great job. We just learned our new 4 vocabulary words. Amazing. Hey, guys, can you do this? Okay, how about this one? This is called the monkey. Can you do it? All right, very good. Okay, can you roll your shoulders like this? Whoa, you are great. Awesome, everyone. Great job. So now, guys, we are going to review the 4 new vocabulary words. Are you guys ready? Say ready. All right, here we go. The first word is, that's right, claws. Let's say it 3 times. Claws, claws, claws. Very good. A dog has claws. A tiger has claws. Great. Okay, the next word is, wow, I'm enjoying this ride. That's right. Canoe. Let's say it 3 times. Canoe, canoe, canoe. You can row yourself in a canoe. Yeah. You can go down a river with a canoe. You can go down a stream, a lake. Yeah. Canoes are great. I have been in a canoe. Yes. Okay, the next word is, that's right, hero. Dun, 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 dun. Let's say it 3 times. Hero, hero, hero. Very good. Do you remember who is a hero? Yeah, a doctor, a firefighter. Yes, Teacher Shane is a hero because a doctor, firefighter, and a teacher likes to help people. So we are heroes. Yeah. All right, guys. The final sentence pattern is, all right, great job. Ears. Let's say it 3 times. Ears, ears, ears. How many ears do you have? That's right, 2. All right, guys, great job. We just reviewed our 4 vocabulary words. Yes, amazing. Thank you guys so much for looking at my video. And I hope to see you guys again next time, okay? Bye-bye.